Before you came, the flowers were sleeping. The island was quiet. The ocean was dreaming. The skies were beautiful, but missing a light. The stars were shining, but not quite as bright. Then you arrived with a smile so true, and suddenly everything started anew. The breeze felt warmer, the waves sang along. Your love turned my silence into a song. Every sunrise feels more alive. Every moment feels like paradise. Your gentle love has shown me the way to find beauty in every day. Your smile made my island bloom again, like flowers dancing after the rain. You brought the colors back to my sky. You gave my heart a reason to fly. Your smile made my island bloom again. A love so beautiful, a love so pure. One heart, one soul, one melody. Forever you are my harmony. The palm trees sway when you walk by. The ocean sparkles beneath the sky. The reggae rhythm feels so sweet. Every heartbeat follows your beat. The sunset glows a little more when we are walking along the shore. Every treasure beneath the sea could never mean as much as you mean to me. You turn my ordinary days into 1,000 beautiful ways. Every dream I wished would come true started the moment I found you. Your smile made my island bloom again, like flowers dancing after the rain. You brought the colors back to my sky. You gave my heart a reason to fly. Your smile made my island bloom again. A love so beautiful, a love so pure. One heart, one soul, one melody. Forever you are my harmony. When the clouds cover the morning sun, your love reminds me the light will come. When the waves are high and the winds are strong, your love keeps me moving along. The moonlight whispers your name at night. The stars shine with a softer light. Because you came into my world, my lonely ocean became a pearl. Like a garden after the rain, you brought life back again. Like a sunrise after the night, you filled my world with golden light. No distance, no time, no changing sea could take away what you mean to me. The smile that showed me the way. Your smile made my island bloom again, brighter than the morning after rain. You brought the beauty back to my soul. You made my broken pieces whole. Your smile made my island bloom again. Forever my love will remain. One love, one dream, eternally. You are my island melody. The palm trees whisper, the ocean sing. Your love has changed everything. My paradise is where you've been. Because your smile made my island bloom again. the sunshine inside my soul. Before you came, my days were quiet, like a river with no waves. I was searching for a feeling, for a love that truly stays. Then you walked into my world with a heart so warm and bright. You became the morning sunrise that turned my darkness into light. Every breath feels like a blessing, every moment feels brand new. The beauty I see around me always leads me back to you. You are the sunshine inside my soul, the warmth that makes my spirit whole. You bring the colors to my sky, you give my dreams the wings to fly. You are the sunshine inside my soul, the sweetest love I've ever known. One heart, one love, one melody. Forever you will shine in me. The island breeze feels much sweeter, the ocean sings a softer song. The palm trees dance above us like they know where we belong. Every sunset looks more beautiful, every star shines just for you. The world feels like a paradise because my heart found something true. When the rain falls on the ocean and the clouds cover the blue, I will always find my sunshine, because my sunshine is you. You are the sunshine inside my soul, the warmth that makes my spirit whole. You bring the colors to my sky, you give my dreams the wings to fly. You are the sunshine inside my soul, the sweetest love I've ever known. One heart, one love, one melody. Forever you will shine in me. When the road becomes uncertain and the journey feels too long, your love becomes my shelter, your voice becomes my song. Like the waves that kiss the shoreline, like the stars that light the night, you remind me every morning everything will be alright. No distance can ever change it, no season can make it fade. The love you planted in my heart will never be taken away. Through every storm and every ocean, through every high and low, you are the light that guides me, the love that helps me grow. Now I wake up with a thankful heart for the gift that I have found. Your love is light, a gentle breeze that carries peace all around. The island feels more beautiful, the world feels fresh and new. Every blessing in my life reminds me of you. Sunshine inside this song so true, because my sunshine will always be you. Because of you, life feels like a Caribbean dream. I used to watch the ocean waves, dreaming of a brighter day, searching for a place of peace, a little paradise for me. Then you came into my life like sunshine after rainy skies. You brought a love so pure and true, and changed the way I see the blue. Now every breeze feels like a song, every moment feels where I belong. The island shines a little more since you walked through my heart's door. Because of you, life feels like a Caribbean dream, more beautiful than I ever imagined it could be. The waves are dancing, the skies are bright, you turn my darkness into light. Because of you, life feels like a Caribbean dream, a love so sweet, a love so deep. One heart, one soul, one melody. Forever you're my paradise to me. The palm trees sway beneath the sun, like they know our love has begun. The reggae rhythm fills the air, a peaceful feeling everywhere. The sunset paints a golden view, but nothing shines brighter than you. Every flower, every sea looks more beautiful because you're with me. The ocean whispers softly tonight, the stars are glowing with gentle light. Every heartbeat tells me true, my greatest blessing is loving you. Because of you, life feels like a Caribbean dream, more beautiful than I ever imagined it could be. The waves are dancing, the skies are bright, you turn my darkness into light. Because of you, life feels like a Caribbean dream, a love so sweet, a love so deep. One heart, one soul, one melody. Forever you're my paradise to me. When the morning sun begins to rise, I see forever in your eyes. When the evening covers the shore, I find myself loving you more. No treasure hidden in the sea could mean as much as you mean to me. You are the reason my heart believes, you are the beauty my soul receives. If the storms come across the ocean, we'll stand together through every motion. If the winds begin to blow, our love will keep the rhythm slow. Like the tide returns to the sand, I'll always hold your hand. Through every season, every year, I'll keep your love forever near. Now every day feels like a blessing, every moment feels so bright. The island sings a sweeter song, because your love has made me strong. The sky is blue, the waters shine, and I'm grateful that your heart is mine. Wherever this journey takes us through, my Caribbean dream is you. Because of you, life feels like a Caribbean dream, a perfect picture painted in the sea. Every sunrise, every wave carries the love that Caribbean dream is you. Oh, your love brought magic to my days. Before you came into my story, my days were quiet, my nights were slow. I watched the world keep turning, but I had nowhere to go. Then you arrived like morning sunshine, with a smile that changed my view. You brought colors to my empty skies, and made my dreams come true. Now every moment feels so bright, every shadow turns to light. The beauty that I see today came when you walked my way. Your love brought magic to my days, turned my ordinary life into a paradise. Every sunrise, every wave feels more beautiful through your eyes. Your love brought magic to my days, a feeling I could never replace. One heart, one love, one melody. Forever you are my sweetest dream. The palm trees dance a little slow, the ocean sings a sweeter song. The island breeze feels warmer since the day you came along. The sunset paints 1,000 colors, the stars shine brighter at night. Every little thing around me feels touched by your light. You turned my tears into laughter, you gave my heart a reason to smile. Every road feels worth walking when I walk it with you a while. Your love brought magic to my days, turned my ordinary life into a paradise. Every sunrise, every wave feels more beautiful through your eyes. Your love brought magic to my days, a feeling I could never replace. One heart, one love, one melody. Forever you are my sweetest dream. When the rain falls on the ocean and the clouds cover the sky, your love becomes my rainbow, a reason to keep reaching high. Like flowers after the rainfall, like morning after the night. You remind my heart every day that everything will be alright. No treasure from the deepest ocean could ever compare to you. No star above the heavens could shine the way you do. Through every season, every journey, through every road we find, your love will be the magic that stays forever in my mind. Now I wake up every morning with gratitude inside my heart, because your love has shown me a beautiful brand new start. The island feels like heaven, the world feels fresh and new. Every blessing that surrounds me reminds me of you. Your love brought magic to my days, filled my world with endless grace. Every ocean, every sky looks more beautiful waves keep moving, the palm trees sway. Your love keeps lighting up my way. My heart will always sing this truth. Life became magic because of you. You made every moment feel like paradise. I remember days that felt so empty, searching for a place to belong. The world was moving all around me, but I was waiting for a song. Then you came like the morning sunlight, bringing warmth into my life. With your love you changed my story, you turned my darkness into light. Every breath feels like a blessing, every step feels like a dream. Since you came into my world, nothing feels the same to me. You made every moment feel like paradise, like a golden sunset shining in my eyes. Every wave, every breeze, every sky so blue feels more beautiful because of you. You made every moment feel like paradise, a love so precious, a love so right. One heart, one soul, one melody. Forever you are my island dream. The palm trees sway a little sweeter, the ocean sings a softer tune. The reggae rhythm feels much warmer underneath the Caribbean moon. Every flower seems to blossom, every star begins to shine. The beauty of this world around me feels like your love inside my mind. You showed my heart a new direction, you gave my dreams a place to grow. Now every road feels full of wonder, everywhere we go. You made every moment feel like paradise, like a golden sunset shining in my eyes. Every wave, every breeze, every sky so blue feels more beautiful because of you. You made every moment feel like paradise, a love so precious, a love so right. One heart, one soul, one melody. Forever you are my island dream. When the rain falls across the ocean and the clouds cover the sky, your love becomes my sunshine, the reason I keep reaching high. Like the tide that meets the shoreline, like the stars that never fade. Your love keeps me believing in the beautiful life we've made. No treasure beneath the water, no gold beneath the sand could ever be more valuable than holding your loving hand. Through every season, every journey, to every road we see, you are the greatest blessing that life has given me. Now the sun Paradise begins with you.
Oh, yeah. Because of you, my heart found its summer. I was walking through the seasons, waiting for a warmer day. My heart was searching for a feeling, for a love that would stay. Then you came like morning sunshine, breaking through the cloudy skies. With your laughter and your kindness, you brought life into my eyes. Now the ocean feels much brighter, and the breeze feels soft and free. Every moment feels like summer, since you brought your love to me. Because of you, my heart found its summer, a season that will never fade away. You brought the sunshine to my soul and chased the darkness far away. Because of you, my heart found its summer, a paradise I never knew. One love, one heart, one melody, forever I'll be loving you. The palm trees dance above the shoreline, the waves are singing our song. The reggae rhythm fills the evening, like a place where we belong. Every flower looks more beautiful, every sunset shines more gold. Since the day you came beside me, life became a story worth told. Every sunrise brings a blessing, every night is filled with peace. Your love is like the gentle ocean, a feeling that will never leave. Because of you, my heart found its summer, a season that will never fade away. You brought the sunshine to my soul and chased the darkness far away. Because of you, my heart found its summer, a paradise I never knew. One love, one heart, one melody, forever I'll be loving you. When the rain falls on the island and the clouds cover the blue, I still feel the warmth around me, because my summer comes from you. Like the waves return to the shoreline, like the stars return at night, your love keeps my spirit shining. You keep my world feeling right. No season could ever change us, no distance could break our way. The love you planted in my heart will keep growing every day. Through the highs and through the low times, through the storms and through the sun, I will cherish every moment, because our love has just begun. Now I wake up every morning with a smile upon my face, because I know I have discovered a love I cannot replace. The island sings a sweeter song, the sky is brighter too. Every beautiful thing around me reminds me of you. Because of you,